Hey, what's going on, Fit Fam? It's Connor from iLoveKickboxing-Peabody, and welcome to Form Forum. Today, we're going to go over the essentials on every type of combo and every bag round that you're going to see. All right? First, we're going to start with our stance. Biggest thing, you want to start with sticking your left arm out and just walking up towards the bag and making sure your shoulders are square to the bag. Biggest thing when we're kickboxing for fitness is that we want everything square to the bag. Makes everything a lot easier when we're throwing the combos. Another thing, bringing the hands up in front of the chin. We call this fight guard. This is super important. Always protecting the face. That's what we always want to go over. Back to your stance, we want to make sure that our feet are a little bit past shoulder width apart. Right foot is slightly behind the left, and it's slightly staggered out to the right in that 45-degree angle. All right? Hands up in a fight guard. When we throw combos, it's going to look like this. All right? Biggest thing, we want to make sure that we're throwing the punches from the shoulder. It should be the path of least resistance. As soon as we come to the bag, you want to come right back. Same with any other punch. Throwing hooks back to the face right away. Same thing with the left side as well, and even on the uppercuts. Hitting the bag, coming right back up to the face every time. All right, that's your fight stance. All right, Fit Fam, let's go over the breathing techniques right now. I'm going to give you a small combo and show you what I mean through those punches. I'm going to throw jab, jab, cross, left body hook. It's going to look like this. All right, you're going to notice those small exhales, the ones I did 4 times right there in that combo. Those are coming right from the core. Anytime you breathe, you want it to be from the stomach and the diaphragm. We're not chest breathers here when we're kickboxing for fitness, all right? We want to make sure we're breathing from the core. Anytime you throw a punch, I want you to exhale and almost compress that stomach down. That's going to give you that forceful, small exhale that can last throughout the entire combo. So when we're throwing that combo, there should be 4 exhales. And then take that big, deep breath in, and then go ahead and throw that combo again. It's going to make you last throughout the whole entire background and make that combo pretty sweet. That's your breathing technique. All right, Fit Fam, let's go over movement and spacing when throwing a combo. All right, we always talk about keeping that left arm out. That's the distance we always want to keep. So there's no need to always creep up to the bag, especially when we're throwing hooks. All right, no need to get so close to the bag when we're doing that. Each punch can be thrown from that fight stance position. All right, notice how I'm not creeping up to the bag. My feet aren't back and I'm leaning into the bag. That's a big no-no. We want to make sure that we're walking up, shoulders in line with your ankles, and just throwing every combo like that. Always stay consistent with that. Once that consistency starts, then you can start to move around the bag a little bit. Get a little bit flirty with that distance. Always checking it. So throwing a couple combos and a couple punches, walk around the bag, check that distance again, and then go right back to it until it becomes so natural that you don't need to stick that hand out and you can move around the bag freely whenever you want. That's your movement and spacing. There you have it for Form 4. We'll see you in class.